Welcome to Trendsetters Hub, where fashion whispers, confidence roars, and every step you take writes its own story of charm, seduction, and unstoppable power. Today, we dive deep into the world of high heels, those divine, slender beauties that have mesmerized the fashion world for decades and continue to reign as the ultimate symbol of femininity, grace, and bold elegance. High heels are not merely footwear. They are magic wands that instantly transform a woman's posture, confidence, and aura the moment she slips her feet into them. Whether it's the sleek pointed toe stilettos shimmering under the party lights, the chic block heels ruling the runways, or the timeless pumps that steal every corporate meeting, heels have always been more than fashion accessories. They are an attitude, a lifestyle, a statement that says, I am here, I am fierce, and I own this moment. The sound of heels clicking against marble floors or city pavements sends ripples of elegance into the air, an unmistakable rhythm that turns heads, captures glances, and commands respect without uttering a single word. There is something intoxicatingly powerful about the curve of a high arch, the slender rise of a stiletto, the delicate strap wrapped gently around the ankle. They contour the leg, elongate the silhouette, and add an undeniable edge of seduction to every step taken. Celebrities, models, entrepreneurs, and queens of history have trusted their charisma to heels, using them not just as footwear but as silent weapons of influence, seduction, and unspoken power. From Audrey Hepburn's graceful kitten heels to Rihanna's daring sky-high stilettos, every fashion icon has made high heels a part of their icon.